Meats. What would you say if I told you that I found a buttload of money in the barrel? Because, well, I kind of have. How? You may be asking, Meeps, how did I get all this money in this barrel? Well, I may have modded in a custom item for money, and that's what we're doing today. Hi, my name is Leo from the H Portal, and today I will be showing you how, using command blocks, I will create a functioning money system for my Minecraft adventure map. Just for a heads up, the money model is merely a placeholder for whatever you want to use as your currency. But around this map, as you can see, I've done some work. I've had bushes, I've done lots of building on the mountain, and I've kind of messed up the audio for this video, so I'm just going to add overlays and hope it makes sense. But, yeah. It's a work in progress, but I think it's going to end out good. So, I hope you're enjoying Nova's Quest episode 2, and it's not too bad, because for me messing up, I built my voice isn't too annoying, because I can't really fix it. I know my voice is not, this is normal for my voice for some reason. Okay, so, let's go! Okay, so now I am in the command room, and what you're gonna do is use the scoreboard command to create your counter for your currency. Scoreboard command basically acts as a counter. So where I put $roo for the rest of this video, you're gonna change it to be the name of your currency. And where it says display name, you can add a custom look for the counter if you so please. Just enter it in name and make it look nicer. Now you're going to do this for any other variables and stuff you want to count and for your player to know about. Because this is, I'm going to display the money to the player. And it's going to be cool. Also, for the custom displays for the thing, you can change the color using different numbers and letters to create funky results and give it a cool vibe. So yeah. I really shouldn't have messed up this audio. It's sad. How can I make this up to you? This is what it sounds like. By the way, I'm singing live in Wembley Arena. I'm going to make a video about that probably. And I regret messing up the audio now because I don't know what I was actually saying. However, I do know what you need to do is place the command block now. And I suggest you add a hover note so then you can easily understand it. So put a reasonable hover note and then you're going to enter the commands. This is, my audio is still going. God, I'm sorry, guys. Guys, I hope this is going well. Please tell me this is going well. I really hope this is going well. Anyway, guys, I hope you're enjoying it so far, because Leo is really bad at this. He is really bad at making videos. This is editing Leo in the future because he messed up using OBS Studio. I use OBS Studio. That sounds like a medical condition. OBS sounds like a medical condition. I don't think it's a medical condition though. That doesn't matter, we can just ignore that. And look at what Leo's doing. Make sure you follow what I'm doing. Or else you may get funky results. And the money system may not end up how you want it. And if there's no money, then how are you going to make shops? I feel like money is an important aspect in anything. Money should exist in everything. My editing is so bad. Everybody! I should make a podcast. This should just be a podcast by now. What would I name my podcast? The Galactic Podcast. Digging down. This should be long enough. Now what we're gonna do is check that the player actually has money to put in their bank account and they're not just lying about the amount of money they have. And we're checking that they actually have the money. Because otherwise all the banks would crash and then society would collapse. Because society needs banks to work or else we can't do capitalism properly. And then lots of people will lose money and everything will become imbalanced and unfair. And that's not good, because we don't want that. I really wish that Leo didn't mess up the audio a few months ago, because now I'm doing this. I literally found out yesterday that I don't even need to use the headphones as the microphone. I think this sounds better than the beginning of the video, so yeah. Again, I'm bad at this. I'm new. Please be nice. Please be nice to me. Thanks! Wahoo! Yay! You guys are cool. But past Leo is not cool, because he messed up his audio, and I will not forgive him for messing up the audio. How dare you, past Leo, mess up this audio? I'm just gonna keep bullying past Leo because he can't hear me. So who else do I bully, I guess? Except myself. Even though bullying's not good. Guys, don't bully people. Bullying is bad. Don't bully. I'm gonna stop now. Also, that goes to you. Yes, I know that you know that if some people watching this video may know that I am targeting them. So if you don't think this is targeted at you, then don't take what I'm about to say next personally. But if you know it's targeted at you and you think I don't like you, then stop bullying. Okay, I'm gonna stop being angry now. This is why you should not trust me and not use me as a tutorial, because I messed this up really bad. So if you want to do this, you're gonna need a specific number of the money in the barrel. And otherwise, the bank will not understand and the bank system will break. And then they'll be holding the money and it won't give them the bank account, and then they may get confused. Let's explain how it works. Then you can do it. But I'm sorry, I'm bad at this. Guys, I'm new. I'm 13. I shouldn't say that. Oh no. Oops. Anyway, yeah. I like Jimmy. I'm fun to watch and I make cool stuff, but really, I'm not the best at what I do, but I am good. I'm like through therapy gaming. I'm fun to watch and I'm good at what I do, but if you want to learn, then I'm not gonna be good at demonstrating because I'm still learning myself. That's fine. showing you the process of learning. Except I'm not showing the process. But you're learning from me doing the process. So yeah. Also, make sure that any corrections I do in this video, you do to yours, unless you want to make it slightly different, which is okay, because then you are just plain copying me, and you can maybe make your own video using this. Just do not copy me. You can use it however you like, as long as you credit me. Make sure to credit me. Thanks. And with that, our functioning money system should be complete now. So test it and make sure that it works. And if it doesn't work, please check that you got everything correct. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This was episode 2 of Nova's Quest. Make sure to like, subscribe, and do what else you can. Maybe comment. I don't know. Just do something. Please support the video and me, because I don't make money, which is sad. I put in lots of effort. I've gone through so much to get my voice to be good, and lots of effort for my voice to work. And I spend money to get my voice to work. So I hope you enjoyed it, and goodbye. Except this may be too short.